So today we are unboxing a Galaxy Book, a Windows 11 laptop. It says here, do not accept if this seal is broken. So it has a seal here. I'm going to have to open the seal. And this one here is a Samsung. There's the seal. There's one more here. Oh, come on. There it goes. Pretty exciting. There we go. Let's see what is in this box. This looks like a CD thing. I don't know what's in here. Let's see. A little letter. A quick start guide. And warranty information. Okay. You may need that later. And wait to see how much is in here. What's this? This looks like a charger cable. It opens here, obviously. Yes, that is a USB-C cable. It feels a little thicker than regular cables I usually have here. It's also pretty long. Here's something else in here. What's this? This looks like a charger. This is like paper-like material here. Oh yeah, look at that. This is a charger. Super fast charging, it says. Samsung. Three amp, I don't know. Let me put this to the side. And then here, this seems to be the laptop. Okay. That's all what's in here in the bag. Okay, let's put this on the side. I'm gonna put this over here. And then we can take this laptop out of this bag. Wow. Look at this. You see that? That's the bottom of it. There's little plastic pieces on here. That's weird, huh? Yeah, so on the bottom here, there's little stickers, plastic stickers on here. I have to take those off, otherwise it will slide on the table around. They're hard to get off. I assume you have to remove them, otherwise it may slide off your table. And you wish you would have longer fingernails for this. There. Those are 4 little stickers on here. Man. And then there's another sticker on here. Down here, that's the serial number. Okay. There it goes. So now when you put it down here on the table, it doesn't slide around. It's super thin. Let's open it for the very first time. Wow, nice. There's this piece of paper in between. Okay. And then here is the thing. This I assume is the on button. Push that button. What happens? Nothing. Maybe you have to charge it first. That is a very much a possibility. Let's plug this into an outlet. I have one here. Let's see where the charge port is. Over here. This is a USB-C. I'm going to plug this in. There is a blue LED going. And yeah, I hope we can see that. Oh. I have to see if we can see this. We can see this here in the picture. It showed that it has 35% battery. And nice keyboard, mousepad, energy saver. Well, it feels nice, not bad, very good. So this is the unboxing, and I'm gonna make another. There's the camera in here. Wow, microphone. Another video and how I started up, I guess, how to set it up. We will see. We'll see how that goes. So this is with Windows 11. $339 today. It's gonna be great.